And do you mind if I grab a piece of candy?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, awesome. Hi, I'm Daphne and I'm here with US Classic Muscle Cars, and today we're here at the Halloween trunk or treat. And today I am here with
Dwayne Van Duzer.
Dwayne. Awesome. So what kind of car did you bring here today, Dwayne?
This is a 2002 Pontiac Trans Am WS6.
Awesome. So can you give me a little bit of history about the car?
I've had the car 4 years. It's the last year for this car. 2002 was the last year for Firebirds.
Oh, okay.
Or Trans Ams. That's, I haven't done a whole lot to it. Rims and exhaust is about the changes on it.
Oh, okay. That's awesome. So now that we have the engine here, and do you mind if I grab a piece of candy?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, awesome. That was great. I love that touch. So can you tell me a little bit about the engine?
Well, the engine is a LS1 Corvette engine. That is what they used from 98 to 2002 was the LS1, what they had in the Corvette also.
Okay. Awesome. That's awesome. So I love this color. Is there a special type of paint that you used, or was this the original color?
Original. It's original.
Original?
Yep.
Okay.
Black with charcoal interior.
Awesome. So yeah, can you tell me a little bit about the wheels here?
The wheels are Miro 111. That's the name and model number. I just put those on about 2 months ago.
Okay.
I had American Racing before that. But so far I've had compliments with them.
I love those. I love the black and the red.
Yes, that's my high school colors. So,
high school colors.
Yep, I like black and red.
Yeah, that's a great color combination. Yeah, this is awesome. So have you ever taken this car to the track at all?
No, I've never raced it and don't plan to.
I don't blame you. Nothing wrong with that at all.
No, I cruise nights and car shows.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So can we take a look at the interior?
Yeah.
So who's your special driver here?
Well, there's no name for him. But I'm not sure. I know he's got his dog with him.
Yeah, that's really cool. I love the decorations and everything.
Yeah, there's no, inside is all stock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's no changes in there. Oh, except the headrests, the covers. Those are covers on the headrest. Online, there's a place that does embroidery. And it's over the original covers.
Wow.
Headrest.
I love those covers. Those are awesome. And another thing that I really like is I love how you have the spider holding this up here.
Yeah, these sometimes at car shows I'll lift the T-tops up, just kind of shows them off, and then you can see inside better. I made these here. I tried to find them online. You can't buy them, so I made these. They're just rods.
Oh.
You can buy at Home Depot or Menards.
You did a great job. That's really creative. Yeah, let's take a look around the back here. I love the ghouls.
And you throw a lot of stuff on top.
Yeah, those are really cool. Very, very nice. Well, thank you so much. This is a beautiful car.
Thank you.
Thanks for the interview. No problem.
He's the designated drivers for during the World Series.
Unfortunately, I'm a Sox fan.
Next time. Well, you can definitely check out the video on the YouTube channel US Classic Muscle Cars. And thank you again.
Thank you.
All right.